Oh, I didn't see you there. I was just swimming around this coral reef enjoying the sights and all the amazing sea creatures. Oh, hello there, Mr. Tentacles. I am here today, of course, to discuss the topic of coral reefs. Coral reefs are very important to their habitats. These ecosystems have a collection of diverse marine life that support one another through their daily interactions, creating a symbiotic ecosystem. Did you know that coral reefs are the most complex ecosystems on Earth? They support 33% of all marine fish species. There are many coral reefs all over the world, each contributing to the ocean's biodiversity. Many of the most significant reefs are found in the Caribbean Sea, the West Indian Ocean, the South Pacific, as well as parts of the Red Sea. The most famous coral reef in the world is the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. So what is exactly happening to our reefs today? It is estimated that 20% of all coral reefs have been destroyed, and more than 20% have been severely degraded. Our reefs around the world are in danger of losing their biodiversity due to various factors. The factors that affect reefs the most are poor water quality, increased pollution, erosion of soil and sediment, and elevated water temperatures. One of the largest problems coral reefs have to deal with today is a little thing called coral bleaching. Coral bleaching is a process that slows down the growth and reproduction of coral. Bleaching occurs when environmental conditions no longer support the relationship with the coral's food algae. When the coral loses the color algae, we go from having these beautiful colors you see here to this. However, coral reefs are also being damaged by the overgrowth of seaweed. The seaweed is being overgrown because of the extreme fertilization of coastal zones from the sewage and agriculture. The damage and loss of these reefs have a bigger impact than you may realize, both environmentally and in our own lives. Not only do coral reefs provide a source of food and shelter for a large variety of species, they also protect the coastal lines from ocean storms and flooding. These reefs are especially important with the temperate zones, such as the West Indies, who experience tropical storms annually. These reefs also contribute to the local economy as they attract millions of tourists every year. But the most surprising and possibly most important in our day and age are the growing number of medical advances coming from the use of resources from these reefs. Scientists are discovering many medical treatments and potential cures in the world's oceans. Here are some of the things that coral reefs have been found to help treat: asthma, arthritis, and other inflammatory disorders, cancer and tumors, and pain and soft tissue sarcoma. It is 300 to 400 times more likely to find new drugs on the ocean than on land. With just a few more years of research, it seems that scientists will likely uncover more without damaging the quality and population of coral reefs. Now that you know why coral reefs are so important, you can understand that it is vital to protect them. You at home can do a number of things to help protect our planet's reefs. Options include recycling, conserving water, reducing the use of fertilizers and pesticides, volunteering for beach cleanups, and helping coral protection organizations through donations and your own personal time. They say that coral reefs are the rainforests of the ocean. If we keep ignoring the signs that our reefs are becoming damaged due to our activity, then doesn't it stand to reason that we take as much effort to protect our reefs as we do our rainforests? Well, that's the end of our segment. I'm Scuba Diver Jimmy signing out. Next week, I save the whales.